my name is Muzykant and welcome to my YouTube channel. I think it's a great time to start my new vlog. But before we start, I want to introduce you to the cast of this vlog. Today it's my sister Sonia and her best friend Elizabeth. And now we can start. Okay, so recently I watched the third season of Bridgerton. I'm really obsessed with this aesthetic, so today my hairstyle will be inspired by Bridgerton. I hope it will look gorgeous. Wow, I feel like Catherine Pierce from Vampire Diaries. Oh my god. Today we went to the Albertina. On the -1st floor was an exhibition of Roy Lichtenstein. I don't know much about the artist, but the exhibition was bright and interesting, and I liked it. Then we went up to the top floor, which just perfectly matched my mood today. Look at this. Is this a Bridgerton house? Here I'm trying to pretend I was invited to the ball. I have my own palace now. Is this me or Elena Gilbert? Okay, then there were many paintings. This is my favorite, by the way. We walked through the first floor quickly, but this dog was cute. When we left the museum, it started to rain, as if we live not in Vienna but in London. It was very aesthetic. Okay, then there was a shopping time, so we went to H&M and then to Zara. I bought a cute new perfume and Sonia bought these shiny heels. And now it's sunny again in Vienna and we can continue our walk. We ended the day in Parmi. This is a very cute and atmospheric coffee shop with delicious hot chocolate. And here is Sunday. Okay, so it's the second day of my vlog. Now I get ready to go to the art classes with my sister. I'm a little bit nervous, but I think I look great today. I really love this hairstyle. I haven't drawn in a long time and it was very interesting to get back to it. After the class we went to Crepe and Waffle Paradise for a snack. Look at this happy face. After lunch, we walked around the city a little bit more, and then we had to go back home because of the rain. This is how my Bridgerton's rainy and sunny weekends turn out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and see you soon in my new vlog.